Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect PayPal to manage credit card payments step by step clearly. To start connecting PayPal for managing credit card payments, open your web browser. Visit the official PayPal website. Log into your PayPal account using your email address and password. Once logged in, locate the wallet option in the top menu. Click on Wallet to access your account details. Next, find the option to link a credit or debit card. Click on Link a Card. You will be prompted to enter your card information. Fill in the required fields, including your card number, expiration date, and security code. Provide the billing address associated with the credit card. Make sure to check that all information is accurate. Once you have entered all necessary details, click on Link Card. After successfully linking your card, PayPal may require verification. You might receive a small transaction on your card for confirmation. Check your bank statement for this transaction. Head back to your PayPal account to complete the verification. Locate the Confirm My Card option in your wallet. Enter the amount of the transaction you found on your statement. Click on Submit to finalize the verification process. Congratulations, your credit card is now connected to your PayPal account. You can now manage credit card payments easily through PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.